sometimes you may want to announce certain things to other people using your website. So in that case, what you can do is you can use something called the announcement banner. So to do that, you need to click on the settings button right here. And then over here, you can see announcement banner is an option. And once you go around over here you can see that you can choose the banner color. So let me just go around and choose purple right here and type in a message, welcome to TutorTube. This site is being maintained. All right, so let's say this is the message that I want to give, and I want to show the banner right here. Apart from this, you can also add in a button. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say visit Google right here. So I'm going to go around and you can see that you can link to one of these pages or type in a link right here. So I'm just going to go around, type in google.com right here. You can also enable open in new tab. So once you do that, you can set the visibility right here to home page only. So the banner only appears in home page or in all versions. So let me just go around onto home page only and close it. And you can see that this is how it would look. So if I were to go around over here onto the preview, then this is what you would see. On the top, you can see the banner right here, and there's the Visit Google button right here. But if I were to go around onto other pages right here, you don't see the banner anymore because I didn't actually need a banner, and then I didn't enable that out. But I'm going to go around over here onto the navigation now. So let me just go around onto the announcement banner. So let me change the banner color right here, and then let me remove out the link now. And then let me just remove out the link right here because I don't want, and I'm just going to go around, remove out the button over here as well. So there you go. So once that change is made, you can close around and you can see that this is how it displays out now. And I want to display it in all of the pages. So I'm going to go around over here and select all pages right here. And what happens is that I will be able to see the banner now in all pages, as you can see. And that is how you can work around and enable out announcement banner inside of Google Sites. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.